Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'll show you how to enable notifications on your smartwatch from the FitPro app. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and that the app has the necessary permissions, especially location permissions. To do this, long press the app icon, select App Info, go to Permissions, and enable location permissions. 2. After that, open the app, tap Setup, then choose Bind Devices to experience more features and connect your smartwatch. If your smartwatch doesn't appear in the list, you'll need to reset or restore it to factory settings and then try searching again to connect it. 3. Next, select Message Push and enable the apps you want to receive notifications from on your smartwatch. In some cases, a pop-up screen will appear. Here, you'll need to find the FitPro app and activate it. Once activated, go back to FitPro and enable the apps again, whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or any other. 4. Finally, make sure your phone has no notification restrictions and that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. Otherwise, your smartwatch won't be able to receive notifications. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, leave a comment, and give it a like. Thanks for watching and see you next time.